Hello friends and teachers. This video is recorded for Hunt India Best Academic Project organized by crazyengineers.com. My topic is bicycle power water purifier and made by Ashish Bhaskar. This is an individual entry. My college name is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Engineering College of Information Technology, Banda, UP. Why I choose this project? The earth is covered by 75% of water, yet one of the world's greatest issue is lack of drinking water. Every year almost 4 million of people die from water related diseases. So to solve this problem, I made this project, which is this, a bicycle power pump water pump purifier concept. The unique innovation design has been invented with the process patented applied for the development of small communities like village with no electricity or as first response aftermath. Aftermath of flood, earthquake and growing population and pollution day by day when there is a water available but it is not clean or safe. To make it clean and safe for drinking, solve this problem, we make this product. हमारा गोल ये है कि हम एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट बनाएं, ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट बनाएं जो कि घर के सामानों से बन सके और एकदम गांव में भी यूज हो सके, शहर में भी हो सके, हर जगह यूज हो सके, कभी भी कहीं भी, और उस प्रॉब्लम जो साफ पानी की है वो सॉल्व कर सके. जो मटेरियल यूज आयरन फ्रेम बाइसिकल साइकिल रिम स्प्रॉकेट गियर थ्री व्हील गियर सेंट्रीफ्यूगल पंप विद पुली वी बेल्ट साइकिल रिम और आरओ प्यूरिफायर. Sprocket gear and free wheel. We use sprocket gear and free wheel because it has no slipping problem while in motion. Is to reduce velocity ratio. It works on law of gearing. Advantage इसके है, it transmit exact velocity ratio. It may be used to transmit large power. It has high efficiency. ठीक है चले. Specification of gear. The number of tooth in sprocket gear is 43 and the number of gear in free wheel is 11. The gear ratio comes from 3.900 and 4. Centrifugal pump. The centrifugal pump work on the principle of force vertex with mean that when a certain mass of liquid is rotated by an external torque, the rise in pressure head of the rotating liquid takes place. The rise in pressure head is V square upon 2G. The main part of centrifugal pump are impeller, casing, suction pipe with football and strainer and delivery pipe. It was V-belt. The V-belt is used to transmit power transmission between the cycle ring and the centrifugal pump by the use of pulley. The friction force in the belt is mu r cos beta. And force power transmit is T1 minus T2 into V. Advantage of V-belt are the V-belt operates in other directions, the high velocity ratio. उसके बाद आता है cycle chain. Cycle chain is made up of rigid links which are hinged together in order to provide the necessary flexibility of wrapping around the driving gear. Advantage क्या है इसके? Advantages. Has no slip takes place during the cycle drive. Perfect velocity ratio is obtained. The chain drive gives high transmission efficiency 98% and the chain give less load on the shaft. Now reverse osmosis. This is the main part of our project. The most common RO membrane is polyamide thin membrane composite. Efficiency of RO system. Recovery. Volume of treated water produced. Volume of feed water used. Advantage RO system, you require less energy as compared to other technology. RO system is simple to design and operate and have low maintenance. Now mechanism. When a person pedals this cycle, this sprocket gear rounds one motion and transfers motion to this flywheel, and the gear ratio between this and this gear is 4 times, and the power transmission by the chain. And this gear and this gear are welded together by welding, and because of welding, this gear and this gear rotates 4 times as this gear, and the sprocket gear transfer its motion to this cycle rim by the use of this when जब ये फ्री व्हील घूमेगा इसके मुकाबले ये 16 टाइम्स घूमेगा, 16 टाइम रोटेट करेगा, जिसकी वजह से ये साइकिल रिम 16 टाइम रोटेट करेगा और अपनी पावर ट्रांसमिट करेगा वी बेल्ट के थ्रू इस पुली को, जो कि सेंट्रीफ्यूगल पंप के से फिट है. इसकी बिकॉज ऑफ विच द पंप सक्स वाटर फ्रॉम द बकेट and pumped the water into the purifier and the purifier purify the water. Now you see my model and this is a video of my model. Now you see I am pedaling this cycle. The motion transfers through this belt and the chain. and the pump sucks the water and fill this water bottle, and the purifier, which is in the purifier, purify the water through this blue pipe, and my purifier is this, the RO purifier, and the water coming from this blue pipe, the purified water, and this is the dirty water which is filled in this water coming from the pump. The broke down on my model. Now real life use and tradition. Bicycle mounted water purification RO and UV unit driven by hybrid power system. This is made by Head of Technology Transfer of Collaboration Division, Bhabha Atomic Center, Mumbai. A bicycle power pump water purifier in Maldives, Africa. My project is an improvement on solar and wind purifier, because solar is not working in night and winter time, and wind power are conditional natural resources, but my project use in any condition. My project is also used as pump for water lifting. The Bhabha Atomic Center model and the Malvier bicycle water purifier pump. In the future scope of improvement, limitation. The first limitation of the project is it pure only less amount of water at the same time. Or second limitation, if we fulfill the first limitation, then there is a problem of increasing cost. The rate of purifier is low than the electric purifier. The solution are, we have to get a bigger container to store water and big purifier to purify, like this type of purifier. And engineers are also over the world are working on this problem to solve the cost, to make the model economically and help lots of people. And the problem is solved by 3 RO purifier system. Now the future of the device. The future of the device is the aqueduct is designed to address all the issues related to safe drinking water. Its work by using a pedal-driven parallel pump to drive water from its trunk through the filter into the clean tank, and the bike can be carried. The cycloine, the new cycloine is this, and the aqueduct is this. This is the aqueduct, the future of the model, in which the water is stored here and the purified water comes here, and the pump and everything is fit in this. Now advantage of the model. The source of the energy is better than any or wind, any other renewable energy, because solar energy have a problem when there is no sun, or mostly in winters and in night time, and the wind energy is not available, but human power is available all the times. No pollution and economic friendly. This model can be made by material present in our household like pump, belt and etc. Least cost than other resources of energy like solar cell are very costly, and making a water windmill is also costly. Less space required. बताइए why this project should win this contest? Because I develop a model which can be work in any place, any time and anywhere, any condition 24/7. It requires less energy, or require any solar or wind type of energy, because these energy are conditional energy. I use human power which is available anytime. इन फ्यूचर जब जैसे जैसे लोग बढ़ेंगे, पोल्यूशन बढ़ेगा, उसकी वजह से जो स्वच्छ पानी की ज़रूरत है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी। उसकी वजह से जो अमीर है वो तो प्योरीफायर खरीदेंगे, पर जो गरीब है वो प्योरीफायर नहीं खरीदेंगे। हमारा बड़ा रोल गरीबों के लिए ही है, और लोग विलेज वाले लोग हैं के लिए, ताकि वो अपने घर की चीज़ों से ये प्योरीफायर बना सके और प्योरीफायर पानी कर सके। नाउ पेडलिंग अवर वे टू क्लीनर, ब्राइटर एंड हेल्थियर फ्यूचर. The most precious thing in our earth is water. Please save it. Now conclusion. I only choose this project and make this project bicycle power water purifier, is to develop a new way of cleaning water by using manpower. The pedal power purified water supply system is a new invention that utilizes the simple imagination and put all together to help the village developing countries to have daily access of safe drinking water. Because an engineer not only means to develop machines and missiles, but also known to develop machines which are used by rich or poor people, village or city people. Because क्योंकि हम ऐसी मशीन बनाना चाहते हैं जो कि घर के ही सामान से बन जाए और एकदम बढ़िया पानी प्योर करे, जो दो गोल है, टू गोल्स सेटिस्फाई करती है। एक जो पानी कलेक्ट करने का, प्योरीफाई करने का। अगर मेरा प्रोजेक्ट अगर 1% भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दिया तो मैं समझूंगा कि मैंने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर बनने का बहुत बड़ा काम कर दिया, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर बन के। As long as access to crazy, I'm very thankful to Crazy Engineer for providing a big platform to solve the problem of pure water, drinking water, and talk about the people that do not drink dirty water. Always drink pure drinking water, क्योंकि जल ही जीवन है। Thank you.